Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Erica, and for those of you who do, thank you for watching. For a while now, I've had people telling me that I should start a YouTube channel, but I've just been so busy. But today is the day, guys. There's no more waiting. So I went to Ulta recently, and while I was there, I came across these cute little lip paints from L'Oreal. So this is literally perfect if it's something that you want to try. If you want to get out of your comfort zone, it's only $15 at Ulta. It's amazing. So pretty much what I'm going to do is, I haven't decided yet if I'm going to try all of them. I may, just so you guys can see the colors for yourself. But I'm going to test it out and just tell you guys like the feel for it, the wear. So it comes in this cute little packaging like I showed you guys earlier. Just gonna open it up. Set it down. Okay, so I'm really interested in the purples first. I may go in order, but I may not. Like, it's makeup. Be creative. I can get this out of here. I can get started. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off with this color. You can barely see it, but the color is Lilac Lust. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting it on, letting you guys know how it feels. I definitely recommend moisturizing. I do this with a lot of lipsticks prior. This is the Lilac Lust color, just so you guys can see it better. It's supposed to be a matte, however, it does feel like liquidy. So after I did some research on these Infallible paints, I read that they were supposed to be matte, however, these do more so feel liquidy, like I feel like you would get a transfer. I still think the color is pretty cute. This is why I went with a simple face today, just because I know that they had bright colors and I didn't want to really overdo it. But I think with a simple look like what I have, this color would really pop and look cute. So now the fun part is we're going to see how easy or how hard it is to take it off. So I had makeup wipes, but for some reason like I cannot find them, so I'm just going to use these Scott little wipe beds. Let's see. Okay, so let's get started. This comes off pretty easy, guys. Like, actually really easy. Sometimes I prefer lipsticks that are more of a challenge to come off, just because, you know, it'll stay on all day, which if you're working or in school like me, that's something that's really important. Okay, so I'm gonna talk just through maybe like a couple more colors and then just fast forward, because I know you guys are gonna want me to get straight to it. So here's the next color. So the next color will be Violet Twist. It's kind of like a dark purple. Let's see. A minor fun fact for you guys, these paints are scented, which I definitely did not know. It's kind of cool. So here's the Violet Twist color. You'll definitely need 2 coats for this, but it's a really cute color. Then once again, I'm just going to use a little white bed to take it off with, since it seems fairly easy. This next one's a really dark purple. It's called Bewitching Boree. Okay guys, immediately I can tell you that I am not very fond of this color. Like, let me backtrack. I like the color, but this would be really hard to put on. Like, you need several coats. It's still a really cute color, as you can see, but this is my 3rd coat. Okay, so here's the finished look. It's really cute if you want to go to the club, you know, or just going out. I didn't even realize until I just played this back, but you could just hear the honking from outside. It's to the point where I'm immune to it now, but I apologize. once you start getting to like the darker colors, I definitely would recommend makeup wipes because it starts getting a little more tricky to come off. And you don't want to start messing up your foundation or anything. Okay, so this next color I'm extremely nervous about. It's Domineering Teal. I do not do bright colors, like I said before. However, my sister is really big on it and she makes me want to try to do it. So we'll see. You guys, look at how bright this is. Oh my gosh. I've come too far to stop. Now I am like so happy that I did not do any eyeshadow or anything dramatic because I don't know how this would have looked. Okay, I think this kind of works for me. Like, it's not crazy like how I thought it would be. I actually really like this color. Also, you guys, I will be making this a habit to post more videos, so I'm all for ideas and suggestions. If you guys have any, please comment below. If you want to know the foundation I'm wearing or any other products, I will also put that below along with my Instagram. For those of you who don't know, I have my makeup Instagram and I also have my microblading Instagram, so I'll put both of them below. And if you guys are ever interested in those services, have questions, I will attach my email below and you can just send me a message. So 4 down, 8 more to go. So this is the part where I will just be putting these on and I will be sure to put the names of them in each video that I do. So there's actually 2 colors that I am going to skip on. I just tried applying one of the pinks and it seemed really hard to get on. Like, you would need a lot of coats and it just felt really thick and not really that good. So I'm going to skip them. But like I was telling you guys earlier, I always stick with neutral colors, but this color is so cute. So this isn't going to give you a matte finish, as you can tell from the gloss in my lips, but you can still create so many cute looks with it. Like, I'd still recommend it to you guys. Alright guys, and we've come to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below. And if there's anything that you guys want to see, whether it's a get ready with me, a tutorial, please comment. I will be posting my favorite highlighters, some indie brands. There's so much that I have planned for you guys.